Hey folks, we have an update for the Albert Einstein bot on the Whale Trading Network. And we put in the channel state detection system. This detection system runs once a minute, so every asset that's on the watch list will get updated once a minute with these channel states. We went over these channel states in this video in the trading learning videos. We had part 1, and this update covers part 2, right? So the channel states are covered in this video. We don't want you guys to rely on the asset report. You want to have an understanding of how that works. So I encourage everybody to watch these 2 videos and get a really good understanding on how it works. Because that's just going to make you a better overall trader. Okay. So when we go ahead and get into the Discord here, we can see that we are looking at the 1 minute time frame. We can see we're in a bearish channel on the 1 minute, and it will tell us, hey, we found support on the lower band, which means the price came down and bounced off of the lower band, but it also hit some resistance on the 50. All right, so if we were to look at this chart, we would see that the price is near the 50 as well. So it went up and it bounced off of the 50. We can see we're looking at the 5 minute here chart as well. We're in a chop channel. We got some resistance off of the 9. We're looking at the 15 minute. We're in a bull channel. And we are looking at the 1 hour. We are in a chop channel there. And the 4 hour, we're in a bear channel, a capitulation channel on the 1 hour. And you can see that we had resistance on that lower band, so it's going to stay in this capitulation channel until we can break through that lower band. And we're looking at the 5-day chart as well. We can see we're in a bear channel there. We did find some support on the lower band, but we also hit resistance on the 200 here. So these values here all carry a weight depending on which channel we're in, whether if we found support or we found some resistance. Those values are all tallied up, and this score up top here has been updated to reflect what this means. Okay, this score here runs in a range of -2.5 being extremely bearish to 2.5 being extremely bullish, right? So 0 is going to be neutral. Okay, so that's why we don't do a score from 0 to 5 or 0 to 100. Let's say our neutral score is in the 0, and then we can either go down or up from there. Okay, so that's been updated. So to go ahead and run this, we're going to do asset report. We're going to pick crypto. We're going to pick our time frame. The time frame for the channel states doesn't matter because this is always going to be updated for everything. And let's take a look at BTC. We're going to go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to give us our normal report information up here with our stop loss recommendations. We can see we have a bearish score, -1.2. Okay. And then we can go ahead and take a peek here and see how our channels are lining up over the past minute. 1 minute chop, 5 minute chop, 15 minute bull channel. And we have bear channels on the 1 and 4, in a capitulation channel on the 1 day, and we're in a bear channel on the 5-day. So this was a pretty cool and interesting feature to add to the bot. It's going to save people a lot of time, but don't use this as a crutch. Really have an understanding of what that means. So when you see this, you can have a real good understanding of where we are going. So if you have any questions, go ahead and drop a question in the Discord, and one of us will answer it as soon as we see it. All right, guys. Thanks. Appreciate you.